Wagwan guys, it's the hot sexy bad girl Chris Choreo straight out of Jamaica, and today we're doing a Caribbean dance wind up yourself workout. I have with me today Sexy Body Z and At Body Zo. Now get right into it, take it nice and easy, let's go. All you're gonna do right now is just warm up. Breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth. Bend over with me. You ready? Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Swing the hip. Here. Here. Again. Again. Here. 2, 3. Just twist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let it go. Get wild. Drop the hands. Relax, release. Ready? On the ground. Here we go. Swing them hips and here. 2, 3, 4, and again we go. Hold on. Swing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist again. 2. Again, slow. I'm going to challenge you. We're going to go a little faster. But the challenge is not done yet. We're going to go low with it. Here we go. Bring it up. You got it. Go up. Ready from the top. We go. Keep it. Breathe out. Again, we go. Around. You got it. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you had as much fun as we did.